Hi guys, it's Miss Frill, and I'm going to read to you Are You Scared, Darth Vader by Adam Rex. There's the Death Star. It's midnight. There's a full moon. That is no moon? Whatever. Are you scared, Darth Vader? I do not get scared. No one has the power to frighten Lord Vader. But what about now? Roar! What is that? Is that a Wookiee? It's a wolf man. Are you scared, Darth Vader? Roar! I'm not afraid of a wolf, and I'm not afraid of a man. So no, I am not afraid of a wolf man. It could bite you. It could not. I'm wearing armor. Roar. Then what about a vampire? Blah. Yeah, vampire. Are you scared, Darth Vader? What does a vampire do? It bites you. No. It can turn into a bat. So, a much smaller thing that bites you? Okay, but look, a ghost. Boo! A spooky ghost. Are you scared, Darth Vader? Is this a ghost of Obi-Wan Kenobi? Or Yoda? It is short, like Yoda. I think it's just a ghost. Next. Well, this is just an old woman. She's also a witch. Are you scared, Darth Vader? Let me guess. She bites you? No, she casts spells. She could curse you. I am already cursed. Are you okay, Darth Vader? It is fine. You're breathing kind of hard. I said it's fine. Are you afraid of spiders? No. Black cats? No. Public speaking? No. The dark? Is that a joke? So you're not scared, Darth Vader? I am not scared. I will never be scared. Who could possibly scare Lord Vader? All right, kids. I guess that's it. You can take off your masks. Masks? What? Stop! Stop that! That is not a toy! Ah, stop! Stop it! Stop it! They're trying to get his lightsabers. They're only children. Are you scared, Darth Vader? Of course I'm not scared! Then you wouldn't mind if more children came to play? Pew, 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 pew! I am most displeased. I am most displeased. All right, enough. Make them go away. He's no fun. Let's go. Yes, those children are lucky they left before I showed them my true power. But look, Darth Vader, there's still one kid left, the one who's about to close the book. Close the book? I will not allow it. What's the matter? Listen to me, child. You do not want to turn the page. Wow, I guess this kid has a power to trap you inside the book. Almost like you're frozen in carbonite or whatever. Child, the power of the dark side compels you. Join me and together we can rule the galaxy. Only one page left. Now are you scared, Darth Vader? Of course I am. Nah, stop. Do not turn the... No. Blast. I hope you enjoyed this book. It reminds me of one of my favorites, the monster at the end of this book with Grover. Happy summer.